After 30, your body loses 1% of its collagen every single year. But here's what the beauty industry won't tell you. If you're noticing fine lines, losing that glow, or feeling like your skin just doesn't bounce back like it used to, you're not alone. And I promise you, the answer isn't in a $200 serum. In this video, where we break down the exact foods that science proves can slow aging from the inside out. Today, we're covering 5 powerhouse foods that actually rebuild your skin's scaffolding, fight inflammation, and restore that radiance you thought was gone forever. Let's get into it. The collagen crisis first. We need to talk about what's actually happening under your skin, because once you understand this, everything else clicks into place. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that holds your skin up. It keeps it firm, smooth, elastic. But here's the problem. After 30, your body starts producing less and less of it every year. That scaffolding, it's slowly collapsing, and it gets worse. Free radicals from UV rays, pollution, even stress, they're bouncing around inside your cells right now, attacking your DNA and breaking down what little collagen you have left. This is called oxidative stress, and it's the #1 cause of wrinkles, sagging, and age spots. So what's the antidote? Berries. Specifically, the compounds inside them called anthocyanins, those deep purples and reds you see, and vitamin C. Here's the thing most people don't know. Your body doesn't just need collagen from food. It needs to build its own. And it cannot do that without vitamin C. Science is crystal clear on this. Vitamin C is the critical factor that allows your body to synthesize new collagen. 1 cup of strawberries gives you nearly 100% of your daily vitamin C. Blueberries protect your cells from oxidative damage while supporting brain health. Blackberries are loaded with fiber that feeds your gut and reduces inflammation. When you prioritize these foods, you're not just eating fruit, you're giving your body the raw materials to rebuild itself from the inside out. If you're ready to take control of how you age and want more science-backed nutrition hacks like this every single week, hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. The sugar trap. Okay, real talk. If you're eating a lot of sugar, you're actively destroying your skin's ability to repair itself. And I need you to understand how bad this actually is. When you eat excess sugar, it doesn't just sit in your blood. Those sugar molecules start latching onto your collagen fibers in a process called glycation. They create these harmful compounds called age's advanced glycation end products. Think of it like rust on metal. Once those sugar molecules attach, they make your collagen rigid, brittle, and completely unable to function. Your skin literally cannot repair itself anymore. The fix? Swap fast burn carbs, white bread, pastries, sugary drinks for slow burn, high fiber carbs like sweet potatoes, quinoa, and oats. These foods keep your blood sugar stable, which means less insulin spikes and less glycation damage. You're protecting that collagen scaffolding we just built. Within weeks, you'll notice your skin looks clearer, more even-toned, and that puffiness, it starts to fade. The fat that heals. Now, let's talk about the nutrient that most women aren't getting nearly enough of, and it's the key to glowing skin and balanced hormones. Here's what no one tells you. Fats are literally the building blocks for your hormones. Without enough dietary fat, your body can't produce estrogen, progesterone, or the other hormones that keep your skin plump, your mood stable, and your energy high. And certain fats like omega-3s from fatty fish, they don't just build hormones. They're some of the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds on the planet. Your top sources? Fatty fish: salmon, sardines, mackerel. These give you omega-3s plus vitamin D and K2, which we'll get to in a second. Extra virgin olive oil, not the cheap stuff, the real deal, contains a compound called oleocanthal that fights inflammation like ibuprofen. And avocados? They're loaded with monounsaturated fats that protect your skin from environmental damage. When you prioritize these fats, you're not just feeding your skin, you're stabilizing your entire hormonal system. The bone-skin connection. Here's something that will blow your mind. Aging gracefully isn't just about your skin. It's about your foundation, your bones. And after 30, you're losing density every single year. Bones aren't solid rocks. They're living tissue made of a flexible protein matrix, mostly collagen, that's filled in with minerals like calcium. Without that protein framework, bones become brittle and break. This is why after menopause, women lose bone density so rapidly. The estrogen that helps maintain that structure, it's declining. The secret isn't just calcium, it's the D3 and K2 partnership. Vitamin D3 helps your body absorb calcium. But vitamin K2? It's the traffic cop that guides that calcium into your bones and teeth and keeps it out of your arteries. The beauty is, certain foods give you both. Egg yolks from pasture-raised chickens. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines, especially if you eat the bones. Aged cheeses like Gouda and Brie. When you get this partnership right, you're not just preventing osteoporosis. You're building a resilient frame that keeps you active and strong for decades. The longevity secret. Want to know the secret of a 92-year-old fitness instructor who's still teaching classes? It's not genetics. It's fermented foods. Your gut is the command center for your entire body: digestion, immunity, even your mood. And fermented foods are loaded with probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that keep that system running smoothly. But here's the kicker. Natto, a traditional Japanese fermented soybean, contains an enzyme called nattokinase that research shows may thin the blood and help break up blood clots. This could protect against heart attacks and strokes. Start simple. Add yogurt or kefir to your breakfast. Try kimchi or sauerkraut with lunch. Sip on miso soup for dinner. Your gut and your heart will thank you. A healthy gut means better digestion, clearer skin, stronger immunity, and real, sustained energy. So let's bring it all together. The real fountain of youth isn't in a bottle. It's on your plate. 1. Berries for collagen building vitamin C. 2. Cut the sugar to stop glycation damage. 3. Healthy fats to build hormones and fight inflammation. 4. The D3 plus K2 combo for unbreakable bones. 5. Fermented foods for gut health and longevity. Your next meal is your best anti-aging tool. Pick just one of these foods to add this week and commit to it. If this video helped you, smash that like button. And drop a comment, tell me, which of these 5 foods are you adding to your plate first? I'll see you in the next one.